Now we're going to take a look at lick number 2. And once again, this has a real strong Gary Moore flavour to it, although you can hear guitarists such as Joe Bonamassa as well as B.B. King playing in this style. B.B. King does this a lot. You'll hear him play a phrase and do these very fast pull-offs, a really abrupt phrasing tool. So we're going to include a little bit of that in this short lick. Once again, we're around shape number 1 of the minor pentatonic, the A minor pentatonic. You're going to start off playing the root note. Try adding a bit of vibrato there. That's something else blues guys do. They'll play one note, really shake the note to add a lot of expression to it. So then we're up to the 8th fret of the top E, and we're going to bend up to the next pentatonic note. So that's a whole tone bend. Then we're back down. And then you're going to play the 8th fret and do a really fast pull-off. So put that together. Okay, that's a really stylistic pull-off. You will hear that a lot in blues. It's a very expressive tool, a phrasing tool for you to add to your playing. Okay, let's now play that short lick together with the click. So just take care when you're bending that 8th fret up. The tension there is quite tight. So really pay attention to the pitch of your string bend and also the speed of that pull-off. Make sure it's very da-da, very abrupt. That's a real classic blues phrasing tool. Okay, so now it's your turn to play through lick number 2.